Okay, sorry everyone. Just listening to some suicide silence. Okay, I got the garden ready now. This is the intro actually. So what I'm gonna do now is put the plants down and actually put them in the ground and start the water, and that's pretty much it. I just watch them grow after that. So yeah, let's get to it. What? These are all peppers. A couple peppers here, some zucchini and squash and stuff down there. Same thing down here, then tomatoes. All right, hey everybody. I realized I did not make a proper outro because I kind of really had it that day. I was kind of finished. I was kind of over it, as it were. So here I am a few days later. Cooler minds prevail. So let me walk you around a little bit. So this side to the left right here is mostly peppers. Actually, I think it's all peppers. Various, that's the dead bean stalk that I tried to plant. Maybe it's gonna live, I don't know, I doubt it. Let's see, more peppers. We like peppers. Those are actually cantaloupe here that grew from last year. Peppers and yeah, cantaloupe there. This is like zucchini and squash and cucumber because my wife likes cucumber, and then a lot of different tomatoes. I think and another, these could be watermelon actually. I'm not specifically sure. And these are obviously tomatoes. This is a sounded really good, so what's the name of this dumb thing? Oh, here it is. Tidy Treats cherry tomatoes, because we really like those in salads and stuff. And these over here, I forgot what these bad boys are. This was a bigger plant, as you can see. These are, oh, chocolate sprinkles cherry tomatoes. That sounds exciting too. Exciting as in like maybe good tasting tomatoes. But yeah, I'm gonna burn all this stuff here. I can't believe all that stuff came out of here. But I'm gonna burn those in a couple of spots in the yard over there because I'm gonna plant some fruit trees. We might get something out of it before we sell this dump. You know, so anyway, as you can see, they definitely need water, so I'm gonna go hit the water right now. And hey, sorry, no more gardening videos. I know everybody was lining up to see this next installment because of the crazy veracity of which people, just the sheer number of people that watched the last one. You know, it's just amazing. Amazingly bad. Yeah, that was amazingly bad. But yeah, this will be the last of the gardening stuff. I might do some more yards. I'm definitely gonna do some more yard stuff. Like stuff where there's a much greater chance of me injuring myself, you know, with the chainsaw and that kind of stuff. And oh, and there's gonna be lots and lots more, there's gonna be lots and lots more casting stuff coming up. Reels and that real soon. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Stay for watching on this train, this meandering train to nowhere. All right, guys, see ya.